Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be figuring out what's wrong with this clutch master cylinder on this 2007 Kia Spectra. So let's dive right into it. So we took off the hood to basically get it out of the way. So we're going to replace the slave cylinder today. You got a 12 up here and then a 12 underneath. This one's been broken. So you're going to have to basically pop that bolt off, and then right here you're going to undo that hose clip, and then over here on the side you got a 10 that you're gonna have to take off as well. So let's get inside the car and I'll show you what's going on down there. On the clutch side, you got 12 like right there that you gotta undo, and then you got this clip right here. Pull that out and then you'll pull that pin out. On the old one, the shaft was bent. We just got a used one that we're gonna throw on. So let's go ahead and put it back on there, and then when we put it in, I'm gonna bolt them down, but I'm probably gonna actually put this onto the shaft before we bolt it down just to make sure that stays on. And then put that plastic washer up over it, and then the clip back through it, and then bolt it down. Once you get that clutch master in place, you're gonna end up having to bleed it. You're gonna come down here, and there's gonna be a 10 right over here that you're gonna bleed. Just like that, we got that clutch master cylinder taken care of. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next project.